everyone. Hello weight warriors, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, no other girl, Viana's Beauty. And if you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we got everything beauty related from fitness. Yes, if you want to have a flat belly, if you want to tone up, if you want to feel confident in yourself, then this is the channel for you. If you're returning subscribers, I want to tell you thank you so much for coming back. And guys, yeah, if you're new, please join the family by hitting on the subscription button. And today, guys, I am going I'll be talking about my November weight loss class. Yes, as you already know, I am a weight loss coach. For those of you who don't know, yes, I'm a weight loss coach. I help people via online coaching to lose weight, and so far it has been amazing. Many people have been losing weight. Just come on board. Even if you don't have any weight to lose, just come on board to have a healthy living, healthy lifestyle, and to be fit. Yes guys, today I'll be giving you a brief summary of what we'll be doing in the November class. Guys, don't enter 2021 with a big belly. Did I just say that? Oh, honestly, just try to level up, just try to be more confident, just try to be more presentable. A little goes a long way. Why not register for my November class and join the group, because there we are all about slaying. So guys, yes, in the November class, unlike the October class was very effective. It was one of the best I have had. The students were so interactive. In fact, we were just there like a family. And compared to the other classes this time around, I have classes on a daily basis, like every day, 8 p.m. European time. We always meet up online to talk about our challenges, and so many lessons that will make you understand nutrition, your health, and a lot of things. I encourage you to come on board, guys. This November is going to be hot because we have just November, December, and then 2020. Don't wait, 21, sorry, don't wait to say
I will write my resolution in December and say I must lose weight in 2021.
No, you have to enter that 2021 with already a leveled up body, if you understand what I'm saying. So yes, for this November course, we will be targeting specifically belly fat. I know this is a part of the body that is so challenging for most women, not only women, men as well, and it's always very difficult to lose this belly this part of the body. But I'm encouraging you to join the November session because we'll be targeting belly fat, and one of the ways we'll be doing so is with the use of waist trainers. Yes, you already know I'm a huge fan of waist trainers. That's because it has helped me a lot as a person, as like someone who has had 2 children. Waist trainers have really helped me a great deal, and I advocate so much for it because I've seen its importance if you do it the right way. And one of the things we'll be learning in our weight loss class is how to correctly waist train, because there's a way of waist training. I have a video on that, you can check it out. But with the class, we'll be going detailedly, like we'll be touching everything that was not touched in that video. So guys, even if you don't want to join the class, and probably because of your work schedule or something, you can still just order any of these waist trainers. I have them in stock. The ones I have in stock right now, it's the double belt waist trainers, which is very good if you're struggling to have an hourglass figure. An hourglass figure is what we call the Coke figure, the Beyonce, the Kim Kardashian figure. That's what we call. If you follow most of these Nigerian actresses, most of these Nigerian celebs, you will know that most of them, they are always in this type of waist trainer. Guys, this waist trainer is just everything. This is the size extra large. You can see it's not at all my size, but it's just for the purpose of this video. So with this waist trainer, when you wear it, this belt just helps to compress your waist some more. Yes, don't overdo it, but if you can do it on a daily basis, at least 6 hours, then after some time, after some few months, you'll start seeing the changes. Even when you see the changes, don't stop waist training, okay? Waist training is really a big deal when it comes to having a good figure. And guess what? If you're trying to have big butt without going through the knife, waist training will also help a lot because it will shift the fat downwards and your bum will be getting big. Yeah, guys, but if you don't want, you can always just work out to solve that problem. Guys, yeah, I have this in stock and I ship everywhere. This is one of the things we'll be making use of in the November class. Like, it's a must. It's a must. If you're part of the class, it's a must for you to waist train. Yeah, so guys, it's important for you to have a flat belly. Like, a flat belly kind of looks good in everything, even if you're wearing like a free dress. When you have a flat belly, it still looks good. You understand what I'm saying? So don't slack, don't get deceived, don't get patronized by people who will be telling you, okay, this is the other type, this is a 25 one still, and it's an extra large as well. It's not my size. Once again, I'm doing it just for the purpose of this video. This too is very good. Like, guys, the quality is just the best. I have reviewed some on my comments of the quality of this waist trainers. Trust me, if you need, I can ship them wherever you are. Yeah, once again, like I was saying, sometimes when I post my before and after pictures, especially men, they'll come and they'll be like, I prefer your before, and I'm like, are you okay? Are you okay in your mind? I was looking very big, I was looking old, I was looking like a grandmom. And somebody will come and the person is telling me, I prefer your before, and the person is confidently telling me, please go back to your before. I don't I don't like my before. I don't like the before. I'm doing it for me first, and that is what you should do. If you are trying to lose weight, do it for you first. Don't listen to people. People be like, oh, you're not too fat, you're just okay, you look like an African woman. No, no, no. I don't want to look like an African woman. What is it? I'm just tired of people telling me all the time, I prefer your before, I prefer your before. You prefer the before, that's good. Not that you are looking the way you are looking. I don't like my before, so I had to work for what I like now. I am just so satisfied with my body now. My husband is satisfied with my body now. You should go for what works for you. If having a big tummy, which I doubt if anybody can be very, very happy with a big stomach, if that's what you like, girl, that is so perfect and good for you. But if not, why don't you come and register for my November class? Don't worry, it's very affordable. Just chat me up on Instagram. You can send me an email. Go to my about page. All my other social media platforms are there. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can register in my November class, and I hope you can place your orders for this amazing waist trainers. Yes, any these are not the only types I have. Any type you have, just send me the picture and I'll ship it on to you. Quality is top notch. I love you so much. See you in my November class, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.